Rosealee family them cross thread. The same uncle we touch Rosealee, the same Jake's brother we touch Rosealee, we grind Rosealee, come back touch Chantau. A long time we hear say Jake's lick down the family, all the AIDS the granny. What's new?
You want blood clot tarnish her name and she young. No. You throw it underneath the rug. But when the ear shot go time out, everybody have this to say and that to say and that to say and that to say and this to say and that to say. That to say. The whole I know. Pretty than you can't talk about nobody from you come out of the nastiest from if you suck pussy, you have to lick up batty hole. And you suck your lick. For you suck pussy, you have to lick batty. How you are butch. So I don't know what you have to me. The woman never tell us lick up batty is wrong. Cause it stink. Look how shit can blood clot stink. Young man never tell us when I look about it all stink. Look how shit can stink. You ever want in an argument with people with a long time stinking breasts them in their mouth? Now come for my blood clot pitney. And your mama suck pussy and you suck pussy. You no curse already. No come for my pitney. You're too enough. Everything you want to put a blood clot saying. Big jammer roach, big bumble hole. Come out to your bed, come out to your bed and go to the door, make me go argue. I come to Jamaica, make me go argue. How are you hiding? Can you look like the lick? Where popcorn did lick in a lick good and the gun butt the gun butt. Well, blame them did gun butt, you never get no good gun butt. Come to Jamaica, make me argue. Bitch. Come on now, uno don't bring a seed pan the land and give parental one Batman and one sodomite, I give parental advice. Uno no breed nobody. One can't breed nobody and one not go breed. What the fuck you not tell me say? One can't breed nobody and one not go breed nobody and one can't breed. Cause one have two organs and one take fuck. So not a parent, so not gonna tell me say about a child. Everybody, every woman who have a teenager knows how a teenager operates. It's nothing common and nothing new. It's like class judgment from people who don't like them. Some teenagers hard to control more than some. You have to watch them. I say it work when you have people. You don't have none, so when I tell them, so go get a youth. Then we can kick the bucket. I shouldn't even argue with you, no. I shouldn't even argue with you, no. Because you don't get a child. So, not if you can relate. Ask the woman who have teenager over here. Worse girl pitney and boy pitney. They no have no manners. You know who and the manners the worst of all the Yankee pitney them. All Yankee pitney beat all them mama in a foreign. 13-year-old, 12, 13, 14, beat all them mama. And a girl should not grow them because of them rotten. What the fuck you talking to me for? You know, oh mom, what's up, dude? And them start. We are talk about. So you think that if a woman live in England and she have an English blood clot pitney, and she said something to her English pitney and an English pitney, talk back to her in one way, she can go lick her blood clot pitney. That's rude. Mom, okay, mom, I think that's rude. We are talking about. It's current all over the blood clot rolling on my pitney alone. Come on far. Come on far. Cause not like y'all no one lift pan y'all pitney no go lift pan around. Ask all the suckling pan the burst. But if you're son of a vice of Shebada, tell them have A and Z and blood clot blood. But if you're son of pure vice not for the one of them. Over this. Make sure you get for wrapping up in a swaddling clothes. Make case I reach the age so you can click live and wrap up the dirt alert them, the mucus and the mung too. Want a blood clot be. Make case. Make case. But then if you reach certain age, you can be bestie. Rub, scrub and mud. Yeah. I don't like bully people. Face and hand man is hard right, we not have no problem. Can't bully we. Yeah. Man teach her how to fight with that bad mouth. Yeah. Because what? Look, me I watch a movie with one woman where when I look at clips of her TikTok, I say do one blood clot woman. Her husband had tried molest her daughter. She pies her husband and blood clot kill him. Bury him, dig him up back, bury him ashes. Burn him, throw him ashes in her fireworks. She go to school and one little boy I try bully her pitney. She tell her pitney thump him in the blood clot mouth. And she use the tissue and grab him nose and say, remember you trip and fell. Don't play with my kid. Yeah. Lick them under them blood clot. Not bully. I hate bully when me I go to school. And some of them I like. Kind of like text it from people, not my child. Yeah. Father God, if you don't give me nothing else, you give me that. Be look, my pity them. My pity them. Not even my son be able to can be able. You can't run with him. Him worse. Cause you not gonna lick him and get away. The war just started and it not done. You say him quiet? Fuck around you in blood clot. See the real Capricorn run out. So go and fuck with people blood clot. That face is a joking thing. I saw no stay on the like text about people pitney. Me say Tavia, December 22. Fuck. Don't annoy me. I talk to you whenever I want to talk. I do whenever I some stay. If I don't want to go, I just don't want to go. Cool and deadly. Don't fuck with him. Him worse. Me fear him more than anybody else. Come say that pitney are too good. You don't even talk, you don't socialize with nobody. Yeah, and him antisocial bad. You know my guy already I call him Barbar. What I'm saying nothing. You don't never know nothing yet. And some stinking fathers stay, them never know, the wicked never know nothing yet. If them know, them just not in a bag of chatting. So them stay, them will talk when it's necessary. And wicked people them be. You soon know. Fuck with him as you see. They never know nothing yet. Cool and deadly. Him you call a pies gripper. Fuck around you know. Like fuck with people. They like to do these things and bully people. Yeah, I wanna come figure in the class, then pick me first and create tantrum and create this and create that and create ever and create lies and create mischief. I wanna stop. She's a child. You don't bully her. I want you defending herself because you're ocean nana manners. And if this 11-year-old talk, yeah, what? All 7-year-old tell me go suck all no mama. 5, 3. Long as them can't say go suck your mama, them a tell it. What the difference? To a Rosealee pitney? Eh? Look how much 11 and 12-year-old are robbing the nasty blood clot down a town. Take knife and cut all the bag off on the blood clot and grab on the chin off on the neck. Them a pitney. To them, oh, to a Rosealee pitney. When I go to a blood clot, I'm a pin out a blood clot 3 mile away. I see young pin over 3 mile away car glass. I see them and give them a pitney. Not even reach that even 10 yet. Oh, to a Rose pitney. Go check round the world and come back. Come on for mines. Not to a Rose pitney, not a blood clot walk and make on a video over here. Me have a class Every mama blood clot grass bite, me I take another one by blood clot one, 2 by 2, and we are go up and go down the hill for water. Wet up one and I keep party. Yeah. Talk what time out she pussy clot, please. Put it on, come suck us. With that strack, I would do why your mouth and the week your mouth with that germsy. Cause I suck pussy a long time for my baby. So the mouth have to stink. I imagine I rub clip with clip, rubber with rubber. Stretch out. That she say, she not run no joke. I want alone and sodomite and Batman walk and take up and blood clap. You look a sad self. That Miss Carb Spice a long time I see you. Warpen, how are you, Miss Carb Spice? You good? A long time I see you, baby. Me teaching her anything. Me not teaching her anything. She see it. Me not take it from her. Me not take it from nobody. Me not take it no gadget, no blood clot, nothing. Cause if in a year bad way, all of the music they must sing in that box and all you hear bad way the night. Because what? Me don't know who someone know a trick. Some of the blood clot people them go like them pick the well manner that them are the worst. They just not do it in front of them mama. And that catch someone who know. But go like gonna pick me at the best pin ever. Someone no pick at the worst thing what God at them. They want them up to go nice here how no turn back to man and sad might and the things them. I don't know do the things them in front of the parents. I don't know the worst. Someone do the things them when must say, oh my lie. I lie. Them surprise. Me no want my one them surprise me. I know my kids. As much as on someone to suck body over elaborate, oh, me not this boy them, me not that, but I know them pretty much blood clot well. I know what them would do for what them would do. I know what them say for what them of a blood clot say. I know of a voucher. I know of a blood clot stand for. I will always turn up behind a blood clot. Them will be 10 toes down. Me no business. Me no care. Cause me a reprimand them and I'm in front of suck cocky from my own. And she have feelings too. I don't want to spread the rumors of life and the need about her class. Mika did shoot man at 15. Man girl gonna raya. That means she had a raw fuck. And she still live a fear mama yard. I mean I have my pit name. See the difference between me and them and me who no after. And me on a problem. I never get up and talk about that. A 15-year-old a fuck raw. She could have catch all AIDS. When I get up and talk about them, no you know what make video about that. But don't want to make video about Chantau catch a rose picnic. I don't can't get under my skin. Cause me not nice. Me only can't tell me nothing for her to come and give 2 fuck. When I click on the silent, when I click on the live, I want to look at suck pussy or suck cocky mouth, batty man and sodomite or straight. That not really have nothing to do with me. That not have nothing to do with me. When I talk with a phone, I talk with a minds. Bend over me and Chantau clit and suck it. Me go shit and piss now no mouth. Suck no matter. Oh.
So I have this big girl, Rosealee sick from her neck to her foot. Oh, Rosealee have a sickness where she forgot to sit down and a Red Bull can't cure it. It only activates it. You have your own data send out early, late at night. Go buy weed, go buy cigarette, go buy rum, go buy boom, go buy this, go buy that. 3 o'clock a man, the child must come in with community fingerprint. A long time the little girl, a long time your daughter, or from your daughter 6 she wash your clothes. From your daughter 6 she wash for you, Barbara and Jakes. Remember? Was it come like you don't remember? Remember you? Remember I saw you grow? Remember you suck non-progressive cocky for cigarette? Remember I pay homeless you in a Rosealee? Remember I pay homeless man sex? All of your cocky them outside with dirt. Remember you're the girl with the homeless scratches? And your daughter come with a continent underneath her. Yeah, that don't people here that play a game after 10. She must come up with fingerprint in her all supposed to smell her hand miggle. And that me say. I never stop say what I say. So all I wanna like it, me say. When I say Chantau act with Jakes like she and Nyam Jakes, me say everybody rush out for me. But when Chantau a post and a class Maddie as an adult, none of them say nothing. The little girl is frustrated. The little girl want to kick in her also till her period come irregular. And that she want. Me never say nothing bad. Me never, you go like an adult, me I go treat you like an adult. And worse, me not play the age game because everyone grown. Everybody grown. I walk out of Rosealee because Laverne give a Rosealee and a dog bite Rosealee navel string. A dog. Oh, Laverne give her from an early age. Remember Barbara buck up. Barbara mistake, maybe I'm sorry. Always remember Barbara birth. Mistake, maybe I'm sorry. Don't come about me. Me must sit down and take care of Rosealee Pitney while she class them. Come suck me. Anybody who have a problem under the sound of my voice, come lick out my body hole using a tongue as cricket player. In my ears. You never know. I say I can't wait for Rosealee and Akeem to live. I could go over there and start them page. You don't come about me. So when Rosealee sit down and talk about spit pan, Rosealee, me not even go by the address that more than you just put on what for me in a one cup.
Come Rosealee, hurry up.
Any farmer liquid, yeah, I put it in a one cup for me.
Hurry up.
I come in. I come in. Remember me never go on your live yet to look friend? No girl could have never class, nobody for me. I'ma jump on them live and look friend. Rosealee, you PL cute boss a class because it now work out. Me talk anything about Chantau, cause Chantau keep the dirty house. The garbage pan where they live in a sea view, Chantau keep it. So me can't talk anything about your landlord. Me can't talk anything at all about your landlord.
I have some new skills I wanna try.
What?
Hurry up, Rosealee.
Oh, you mean? So we do not talk about blood. Akeem afraid for going because your mouth and your own. Him could have never infect you, you keep it quiet. That's why I'm afraid for going, you know, nothing more. So when you talk about thick blood, make me and Akeem hold and I'm going to do a test. And see how far blood that flow freely in them vein from how far one have stoplight. Come now man, traffic in a Akeem blood. And that you want. Traffic in a Akeem blood and that you are run down. What you say? And then me, I come about my baby. Not come about me, my love. When you can't spit pan pretty than and get way, try that with Shebby.
She spit pan pretty then?
No, she says she will.
Oh.
Yeah, so when you can't do it and get way, try that shit with Shebby.
But she don't go spit pan her man.
She can't because them not get the opportunity. She pay for seeing body.
And plaster it over him teeth and him face.
Akeem, I go visit her 4 underpants the boy wear and 2 brief. Anything for bandung and make him front look like pum pum. And that him a do. The boy eat you. The boy eat you non-stop. Yeah, he attack. Rosealee go on now? Go on. I never hear about you star no show yet. But you would roll it on bodies a star show. She use all her weight. I never hear Rosealee win a fight yet.
And her man stand up there and watch she get beat up.
Yeah. Remember she easy for drop a ear balloon. Never hear that boy yet. Rosealee will wear all dead people clothes. Never hear nothing about you yet. Yeah, the boy 8, 9 and 10 oink oink for sure. So I don't know where she go. Where you really try to say out of your mouth. But Selena in a position for arguing nobody because a girl like that will lick for insulin. You want Zuma for one thing with Zuma man, I'm proud of him owning about your idea sickness. Go on, you are your man sick, you are Akeem sick on the ill. I want to come to inoculate the country.
That's why she had to lose weight.
Yeah, and I look she lose weight. I sugar draw down. I should remember Rosealee so to take off one of her foot.
Beg somebody buy a Ozempic, mama, we come down very quickly.
Ozu pan diabetes. And you want to send home the child early.
Quick. quick, I'm in a rush. Make a swality.
Well, sunshine. Oh. No, for sure. No. For real. Bright boy, you come but you can't come about me dog shit. Me don't talk about your little girl already. And nothing what me say about your little girl was a lie. She soon breed. By her bed sending. We don't know if you send her got Jubilee or a home delivery. But by Chantau bed put on because Chantau no stop right cocky in a CV. Go on a Rosealee. Other night a man Jakes I forgot to take off her. Easy does it. Your daughter coming like light sensor. Nobody not to touch her if she turn and just pass. While other girl out there touch lamp, man have a wish or plea to touch them. Your daughter light sensor. Light sensor. As a boy pass her nature rise. Remember I saw the mommy stay and I see him where the granny did stay and the great grand. Remember he running on the blood. That's why we want to stop the generation.
Some of them people, you know, them never living in a ghetto, you know, so them don't know how a little girl.
No for them they live in a ghetto. But them a go like say them read them memory, them build wall behind them. Me never build no wall behind me. For me see a ore, me know a ore. And Chantau is a big ore in a little body. Discover my baby, want me discover. So when you come about me, no come about me Rosealee. Come about Akeem thick blood. I pay muscle man in a Akeem vein. Yeah, just the same one way in your granny own. Remember AIDS lick down your granny and make sure for the pan her back? Or no dash for that? Or no dash for that? More if you not take up your granny and dash shower, when I keep AIDS as memory for? Take up your granny and dash shower. Oh, you mean not the baby? Oh, you mean not the baby? Where did you see a baby? Do you see a baby after Rosealee never let me Chantau wait name there? Rosealee never let me Chantau birth paper. We don't know how young Chantau be. Because when we hear she talk, we think she a hobbit, we think a dwarf.
Watcha.
Them do everything else. We think Chantau do.
No, at the party, me I talk about, you know.
Yeah, you know, say them do everything else. Yeah. I hear, we hear. Chantau is a little dwarf. Chantau go that older than my mother. So I don't understand what you say. Chantau is not a child. When you act like a child, I treat you like a child. When you act like an adult, I'm not going to remind you that you're a child. Me not going to ever do that. Me not going to ever remind you that you're a child. I'm going to treat you as you're grown because you address me grown. So I'm going to treat you grown. When you come into the public as a big girl in a little girl body, I'm going to treat you like a big girl. Attitude, I'm going to go by height. I don't go by height and age, I go by attitude. Yeah. So she can tell one woman say the woman is sodomite, but nobody know to tell she say her mother pay for crutches in a go-go club to lick it because she can't get Akeem dick. She can't get Akeem body, so she turn to crutches. Chantau should have cussed her mother first before she cussed anybody else. But my daughter that, and if you don't respect her, so what she for do? A child must know a child's space. A child must know a child's space, Rosealee. Yeah, but remember crutches you rubbing, and we Chantau know about rubbing crutches, and Chantau suck banana and send go give man. We Chantau know about crutches. Chantau do everything what she say her mother do. Remember on the name quick growth. Remember man no wait on the man no grind on the base and age, you know. Man just grind on the base and free will, cause the whole on her free will. Yeah. And on the one me view Chantau. Chantau is not a child, she's a dog. It's a baby or Rosealee bring. A baby or baby or Rosealee, anytime you see me, anything you have to give me, I beg it. Me, I beg it. I want you show the internet how skill and bad and serious you be. And that I want you do. I want you show the internet how skill bad and serious you be. You and Chantau come lick out my body hole after my diarrhea. Yeah.
All the people them where talk about say cancel, come suck me. Come suck me.
Cancel Rosealee because she alone sit down on the upper beg. This meaningful to she and her man. So them cancel she. Cancel who me? Hurry up. Hmm? Crossing the line still. Who across the line? One thing with me, when me a cuss, me not put no benchmark. So don't come tell me about crossing the line, cause cuss no come with no good word like you can't tell me for fight. So if me want pinch in the war, me pinch you. If me want crab in the fight, me crab you. If me want bite you, me bite you. And if me want acid you, that's extra. So what you mean by crossing the line? Hmm? Crossing the line from baby germs.
So man would never make an opinion on the internet.
All who attack, tell them to bring for them children to the forefront and let us see if they might behave like Rosealee. Oh, no go suck on a mother deeply. Yeah, passionately. A dog bite Rosealee navel string. So we can't expect to get an angel. Rabies in them blood. Oh, rabies in them blood. That's why Rosealee picked them favorite ticks. Now ask you, a PF Rosealee produce. So what I really say, Rosealee can't argue with nobody when a homeless man a Chantau father. Tell Rosealee for go give Chantau to the right daddy and work out that. Give Chantau to the right dada. Huh?
Mark sexy.
Yeah. She knows she not for come about me. Come in a pardon. She knows she not for come about me. Chantau miserable. Cause Chantau don't have a right father. Rosealee family them cross thread. The same uncle we touch Rosealee, the same Jake's brother we touch Rosealee, we grind Rosealee, come back, come touch Chantau. A long time we hear say Jake's lick down the family, all the AIDS the granny. What's new? Hmm? Remember una no civilized people, you know? Remember una mad people, you know? Una the dirtiest set in a CV, you know? Remember una live somewhere and look homeless. Remember, nobody not take on a serious, you know. If it had not been for TikTok, nobody would in a CV would have never take on a serious. A people money make people in a CV you can say, yes. Maybe or yeah, it's true. A people money. A TikTok. So when people are jump up and a hype up and a go on, but oh my god, a dog shit they make me talk about.
Literally.
A dog shit they make me talk about. Chantau do have a right daddy. Work out that energy there. Give the child to the right father. Work out that NRG. And get back to me. I know I like when I say about me at earth and that I like. I just live another satisfaction say no for no heart a burn no. And that I like, you know. Yeah. So I don't understand. I don't understand nothing when I talk about out of the mouth. So when Rosealee sit down on live and I talk about, oh, so she not for defend herself. Tell her that I forgot defend the fingerprint them in her hole. Yeah, community condom Chantau, community condom. She fit any cocky as at 11-year-old. At 11-year-old she fit any cocky. Tell her that. Yeah, go fix that. Go take pride in your picnic. Mother there east, father there west. Then the picnic them just in the middle so I surf. You come out big and bold. You know your uncle, you know Jake's brother love touch. And the first allegation this a call upon him because him, you lead the kids them with him. And then me for look out for them. You not care, me not care. Come suck me, you and your baby. Chantau all bigger than Laverne own. I'm a done talk. Chantau all bigger than Laverne own. I don't hear nobody come out and I defend the person who Chantau class and I say Chantau must know a child's space. She's a child. When an adult talk to you, take it to your mommy and make your mommy address the adult. No, the daughter must sit down and address the adult. And me as an adult must sit down and take with the daughter. Go, you and your daughter come lick out my body hole using a tongue like tissy and pad underneath me.
How will you know about man feel woman and woman can take woman?
No.
Where you know about that?
I wish you see I'm to her mother. Her mother, she really want to cuss, you know, like how when Rosealee want to cuss Akeem, she cuss Jakes. Yeah.
A summer, why you never gone to summer school?
Summer school where? Them plan for brides? Do they plan to get brides? Remember Rosealee education stop at 9th grade Vauxhall. Rosealee not even did graduate.
Rosealee, I make money, make the pin in them find extra curriculum activity.
Yeah, man. Them should go learn swimming because see you full of gully. Them should go learn swimming because see you are low line as your quint water flood and crocodile run.
You busy, I go pin in them find.
Yeah.
Click live ball.
Them should go learn certain different excursion, man. Send out the picnic them, make them view different things. No, and me have a customer to buy the picnic them clothes. They picnic them little bit and shine like African marble. And your kids them have lovely big heads. Lovely big heads. Your kids them head big. Yeah. Some know you not have no muscle in a year old. Your kids them head big. Them have lovely big heads.
When we are going on Shebada, summertime church camp, we gone, you know.
Me not ask you, you know.
Camp we send we going on.
A pure excursion in the summer. And them not have no country can go. Of course, Chantau is an adult. Chantau is an adult, and you treat a child will behave like an adult, because if you make them escape, them are gonna get shaggy in a life. Me not ask you, you have to make them know what being an adult is. VBS, you know all VBS? Vocational Bible Study, yeah? Yeah. Me not ask you. Them don't know them little babies something there. I pay adult Rosealee go. Who remember when Rosealee said she like when her daughter behave like that, because
good morning,
at least,
sir. You heading my way?
At least she can defend
You heading
herself.
my way?
Rosealee still and beg if Rosealee not even go PTA meeting for her picnic them. Then why me should have sing yes and consider Chantau as an adult? Chantau is a big cocky sucker. Chantau want a big would be in her AIDS for represent her. That's her ID, cocky. And that's her fair ID. So where Rosealee are running go? Where Rosealee are running go when Rosealee is a giveaway baby? When Rosealee is a giveaway baby, I hand them hand over Rosealee with navel string in a labyrinth hole. I hand them hand over Rosealee. Them not even have scissors or the dog bite the navel string. Yeah. So I don't know what you're going to talk about. Of course, blood definitely follow vein. Ask Akeem. Me not ask you. Crosses on in a Chantau blood. That's why Jakes have to peel Chantau off a cocky like orange. I'm glad for Muta or Muta capture the event. Can't only that sit down and say a lie me I tell. Only that sit down and say a lie me I tell. You know see, allow me. You know see Rosealee family them curse. Allow me easy for let off. I pay Jack's man play upon them for crutches. I play back on them get. Me not ask for my baby. Yeah.